This video is very important for those silk painting learners who want to know about the actual quantity of water in silk paint. We will see in today's video how much water needs to be added to lighten the color. Before I start today's video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Watch the video to the end so that you don't miss a single important point. Let's start today's video. I want to make 5 different tones of green color. So I filled equal quantity of water in the small water containers. Now add few drops of green color and gradually increase the quantity of green color in every pot. You can see the slightly difference between every color tone. This practice is only for the learn about how can we thin the silk paint with water and how much quantity of water required for lighten tones to the dark tones. My 5 different tints are ready. You can make the 1 or 2 tints according to your requirement. Keep one thing in your mind. It depends on you how much light or dark tone you want to make. Mix the color well with the brush. Here I have already outlined so that I can easily color it without wasting time. I did not apply the water before painting because I am painting in small portions of my fabric. But when you want to paint your fabric, wet the fabric first, then apply the paint on it. Now apply the tint of green one by one in leaves. You can see the intensity of color is increasing in every leaf. After 5 tints, apply the green color in 6th leaf. You can see the difference between tint and green color in original intensity. In the last one, apply the water and then paint the leaf in green color. I did not add any water in the green. Give the shading with dark green and blend it well. Silk paints are chemical based. If you did not apply the water on fabric first, your color will dry quickly and leave the patches on the fabric. That's why I recommended wet the fabric first, then apply the color in that area. Sometimes we have little spaces in background. In this case, we can paint fabric directly. No need to apply water in small portions of background. Leave the fabric for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, paint the background with brush or sponge. My painting work is finished now. Let the fabric dry. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question regarding this video, please write in the comment box. And if you want to share your suggestions, please share with us. Like the video and subscribe the channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.